Good morning students. So today we are going to see chapters 1 exercise 1.1 question number 4. The question is a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See, so here we are having the sea level. So a plane is 5000 meter above the sea level. So imagine the plane is here, which is 5000 meter above the sea level, and a submarine is below the sea level, which is 1200 meter. So here we are having the submarine. Okay, so we have to find the distance between the plane and the submarine. So vertical distance we have to find. So vertical distance equal to, so what we have to do is we have to subtract the distance between the plane and the submarine, right? So this is the sea level, so here we are getting 0. Clear children? Here we are getting 0, and this is above the sea level, this is positive, and the submarine is below the sea level, so this is negative. Okay, so the distance between the plane and the submarine, right? So vertical distance is equal to plane minus submarine we have to do. Okay, so the distance of plane is plus 5000 meter minus of distance of submarine is minus 1000 meter, 200 meter. So we will get 5000. So minus into minus, here we will be getting plus 1200. So which is equal to 6200 meter. So this is the distance between the plane and the submarine. Clear children? Shall we go to the next question now? So next question number 5. So question number 5 is Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So they said the amount deposited is rupees 2000, right? So amount deposited is rupees 2000. So in the next day he is withdrawing amount, right? So withdrawn amount. So withdrawn amount is rupees 1642. So he is withdrawing an amount rupees 1642. In question itself they have mentioned that it is represented as negative integer. So we have to represent minus rupees 1642. Since it is withdrawn from his amount, so we are representing it by the negative integer. Now we have to check the balance in his account, right? So balance in his account. So balance in his account, right? So in order to get the balance, what we have to do here is we have to add the amount he deposited and the amount he had withdrawn. So which is minus 1642. So why here we are adding, right? Since they have given that it is withdrawn from the amount withdrawn from his account is represented as negative integer. So in order to get the balance amount, we have to add here. So here they have given amount deposited and they have given the amount withdrawn. So in order to get the balance, we have to add. So we will get rupees 2000. So here plus into minus, we will get minus rupees 1642. So if we subtract, we will get rupees 358. So this is the balance amount in his account. Okay children, then we will see the next question, question number 6. So sixth question is Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position? So first of all we can draw a line. So now Rita is standing in a position, right? So Rita is starting from the point A. So this is point A. So from point A, she is moving towards point B. So towards her right side. So towards her east. So they say the east and west, right? So from the normal line, we know that always right side is positive and left side is negative, right? So that is what they have given in question also. If she is moving in east, it is positive, and she is moving in west, it is negative, right? So first Rita travels towards east. Rita travels towards east, right? Travels a distance to east. So which is 30 kilometer. So since she is moving towards the right, so it is positive, sorry. It is 20 kilometer, right? So positive we have to represent. Then Rita travels to west. So that is negative, right? So minus 30 kilometer. See, in question itself they have mentioned, children, if she is moving towards east, it is positive, and if she moves towards west, it is negative, they say. So now we have to check the distance. Okay, distance traveled by Rita from point A, we have to say. So distance traveled from A. So from point A only she is moving, right? So from point A is equal to, so we have to add the distance she traveled. So first she moved towards east, which is positive. Then she is moving towards west, it is negative. Okay, so both we have to add. Then we will get 20. So here plus into minus, right? So plus into minus, we will get minus 30, which is minus 10. So the distance traveled by Rita from point A, they have asked you to represent, right? How you will represent the distance traveled from A, they are asking. So we have to represent the distance traveled, right? So represent distance traveled they are asking you how you will represent the distance traveled from point A. So we can represent the distance traveled from point A by negative integer. So this is important, children. We have to write this one by negative integer is minus 10. Okay, so they have asked you to represent the distance traveled by Rita in integer. In which integer you will represent, they have asked. So we are representing it as a negative integer. Okay, children.